Couple of days back, I have posted this question on my YouTube channel asking you guys what types of methods do you want to see in my videos. Now, the overwhelming majority of the answers were demanding CPA methods using free traffic. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly that. I'm going to show you a CPA marketing method using free traffic that you can use to make anywhere between couple dollars up to $100 per day just by doing this for a couple of minutes. So even if you are a complete beginner who never heard about CPA marketing or making money online before, you can do this as well. Now, the best part about this method is you can completely do it from your mobile phone, so you will not be needing a laptop or PC or any other device. All you need is just your phone, internet connection, and a couple of minutes of your time, and also to watch this video from beginning to the end, so you will know exactly how to set it up and then start working on it too. So just smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also down in the comments do let me know if you prefer methods that you can do on your phone or if you prefer methods that you can do from your PC or laptop. So just comment down below, hit the notification bell, and now just let's get started. Okay guys, so here I am on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this from mobile. So even if you don't have a PC or laptop or any other device, you can follow this video just as well. Now what I highly recommend is that you watch this video through from beginning to the end, so you will know exactly how it works. Then watch it second time, and on the second viewing start building this with me. So just grab your mobile phone and let's get right to it. So first of all, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for OGAds. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website that you will find after these sponsored promos, and it's called OGAds.com. Just go there, and what you want to do is sign up for your account if you don't have one already. So pretty much just click on this sign up button, and it's a pretty easy process with just one simple trick. All you need to do is just fill in your username, your email, choose a strong password, then just click on the next step. They will ask for your first name, last name, your address, city, state, region, postal code, the name of your first high school crush, all that good stuff. Then just fill in all of that, click on next step, and now comes the tricky part. They will be asking you, where did you hear about OGAds, how long have you been doing CPA, and what are your monthly earnings? What you need to do is answer these questions honestly, okay? You don't want to be lying to OGAds because they will know it and they will not approve your account. So pretty much what you want to do is type into where did you hear about OGAds something in the lines of that you've seen it in the YouTube videos. That is one of the best content locking platforms out there, and you want to be able to use their offers to make money with CPA marketing even if you are a complete beginner. If you do have some experience with the CPA, you can just go ahead and type in there some level of your experience. But if you are a complete beginner, you want to be honest about that, okay? So if you've been doing CPA for less than 6 months, you want to select that option. If you've been doing it for longer, just go ahead and choose one of these other options. And then in these monthly earnings, you want to again truthfully answer how much money you are making from CPA marketing or from online money making in general, because they want to be able to estimate if you are going to be a high volume or very active CPA marketer, or if you're going to be bringing in not that much traffic but still be making money for yourself and for OGAds just as well. Then again, if you've been working with some CPA platforms before, what you want to do is type it in this field right here. It lists the current networks that you're sending traffic to. So for example, if you've been working with CPA Grip, just go ahead and type it in there. If you've been working with TopMap, CPA Lead, or any other CPA networks, just type it in there, because again, it's going to serve as a credibility, as a history of your previous work with CPA, and it's going to help your account get approved. Then pretty much in this traffic information, you want to fill in your social media networks and a type of sources you will be using to promote these CPA offers. If you're going to be doing social media, which we are in these videos, just make sure you're going to fill in your social media accounts. If you're going to be using your email list, just go ahead and type it in there. Or if you have your own website that you will be using to create content locking landing pages, just go ahead and let OGAds know, because the more genuine you are going to be, the more likely they are going to be approving your account. So just go ahead and type in all that information, and down here in this contact info, you just want to type in those which you do have. Pretty much all of us have a phone number, so just go ahead and type it in there. If you don't have any of these, Skype, Kik, or Telegram, just don't type them in there. Just go with those that you have and use actively. And once you do that, you want to click on next step, and pretty much all you need to do is just make sure you're going to click on agree to terms and conditions, verify you are not a robot, and finish your application. Now it's going to take some time for OGAds to answer, so if you want to just go ahead and do this right now, pause this video, fill in this application. Once you get your OGAds account approved, you want to log right into it. Then just go to this toolbar on the left, go to tools and content lockers, and what you want to do here is create a content locker by pressing this button. This is very simple process. All you need to do is just go ahead and name it something, and for the theme of this video, we are going going with giveaways, so I'm just going to type in their giveaways 2023 or something like that. It's just for your own reference, it's not really necessary. And what you want to do, and it's very important, you want to scroll all the way down here, and in this unlock action, you want to just select remove locker. You don't want to be redirecting to another URL for this method, so just make sure to select the remove locker, and that's pretty much it. Then just go up here once again, and you want to scroll to the right and click on mobile specific, because we are going to be designing this content locker for mobile, because that's where the most of this traffic is going to come from. So pretty much what you want to do here is just choose a theme for your locker. I mean, you will not be able to see it right now, but once you finish this locker, you can check it out, and if you're not happy, just go back here and change the theme into something different. So for example, let's go with this one for now. Then just for this mobile title, I'm going to name it into enter a giveaway. Then just in this mobile description, you want to completely delete this sentence. You are not going to be needing it. Just like that, leave it blank. And in this mobile offer type of sort, pretty much you want to make sure you're going to select CPA plus pin submit prioritized, then CPI. It's going to be like a second offer from the top, so I'm going to select that, and then also make sure the minimum offers you're going to select is 3. You don't want less than that, because you want people to have choice of at least 3 offers once they're going to come to this content locker. And also make sure the maximum offers, it's not going to be capped, so just make sure to leave it on no max. And that's all you need to do on OGAds. Then just click on create a locker, and as you can see, the locker got created right here, and pretty much all you need to do is just go to actions, click on view details, and you want to copy or be able to access this URL right here. Once you get this URL to the content locker, you need to create a landing page for it. But before you get to that, what you want to do is go to Instagram and make sure you're going to have a profile, because we are going to be using Instagram as a traffic source and for one more thing just as well. So what you want to do is just make sure you're going to have some kind of Instagram profile. You don't have to use your personal for this. What you can also do is just go ahead and create a brand new account, because this is going to be working just as well, but you do need an Instagram account for this. Once you have that, what you want to do is just go to Google and you want to look for Pexels. Go to Pexels and you want to download some image of something to making money online or money in general. So what you want to do is search the photos for money. Hit search on that and pretty much pick one of these images that represents money or giveaways the best. So for example, let's go with something like this, and if you also want, you can go to Canva and design a poster specifically for giveaways, but the post itself is not very important, because the most important part is actually the content locker and the profile. So what you want to do is just get some picture from Pexels or from Canva, then just go back to Instagram and post it as a post. Pretty much it's not very important what's going to look like, but if you want, you can customize this a little bit, and then pretty much just make sure you're going to post it with some motivational quote or something like that. And then also go ahead and add a bunch of hashtags, for example like money, wealth, or pretty much something related to money. All you need to do then is just post this to your feed just like this. Then what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Linktree. Pretty much just go to this first website right here that's called linktree.ee, and you want to sign up for your account and claim your Linktree username. Once you do that, go to your account, and now you get to create a simple landing page for the CPA locker that you have created. All you want to do here is just go ahead and click on add link, and as a first link you want to paste the profile URL of your Instagram account that you're going to be using. So just go back to Instagram, get your link, go back to Linktree, paste it in there. Okay, then just click on add, and you want to edit the title into step 1, follow this account. Then just click on done, and what you want to do is click on add another link, go back to your Instagram post that you have just created and click on this share button, and you want to just click on copy, go back to Linktree, paste it in the URL field just like that, click on add, and in this title you want to write step 2 like this. Post just like that. Then just click on add another link, and this time you want to go to OGAds and you want to grab this URL to the content locker. Copy this URL. Then what you want to do is go to bit.ly or any other link shortener, because you need to create a short URL for this to work. Just go to create a new, click on create a link, paste the content locker in there just like that. Then just click on done. Okay, scroll all the way down here, click on create, then just go ahead and copy the shortened URL, go back to Linktree, click on add another link and paste the shortened URL in there. And then you just want to name it step 3, enter a giveaway, just like that. Then just click on done, and if you're going to click on preview, it's going to look something like this. Now if you want, you can go ahead and customize this theme, these colors, this background and all of that stuff, but I'm not going to be doing that for the sake of this video. It's actually pretty much what you want to do is create an Instagram account, post a single post, then just create a content locker on OGAds and create what you want to do. Then once you do that, is just click on share, and you need to copy the link to this link tree. Just press the copy in the share option, then just go back to your Instagram profile, click on edit profile, and what you want to do in the bio, you want to write something like enter a giveaway below to win awesome prizes or something like that. Then just click on links, and you want to paste the external link and paste the URL from Linktree. Then just click on done, and this is pretty much all you need to do in your Instagram profile. Just make sure to save it. And now comes the part how to actually drive traffic to your content locker. Just go to the search bar and you want to look for some make money online profiles, and you want to pick one of them. So for example, let's go with this one right here. What you want to do is go to the followers, click on followers, and you can see all these people that are following this exact profile. What you want to do then is just pretty much go ahead and click on follow all of these that are following the original profile, and what you want to do is go ahead and follow everybody that you can. Some of these people, once they are going to see that you requested to follow them, they will follow you back, and once they do that, they will go to your Instagram profile, and once they are going to see that you have a giveaway in there, there's a huge chance they're going to try to apply for it. So what you want to do is follow the most amount of people that you can in one single day, then wait for the next day and do it again. Because once you set up this method, once you set up this profile with the giveaway, it's going to be there, and all you have to do then is just spend a couple of minutes per day following people, and once they are going to come to your profile, they will click on this Linktree giveaway, they will be taken to the landing site, and if they follow through these steps, they will get to the content locker, and once they're finished some of that, you will get paid money. And that's it for today, guys. This is just one of the easiest ways that you can make money from your mobile using free traffic and CPA marketing. Now just go ahead, set this up for yourself and make some money with it. Now if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using myself to make over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media accounts or this YouTube channel, just go to the first link in the video description, check out the short introduction video that I have prepared for you, and I hope to see you there. Now if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.